Hey guys, and this is a new video about the Instagram application. Today we will show you how to set the monochromatic color background on Instagram story. Let's go to the Instagram app, and right now as an example we will create a new Instagram story after swiping to the right side our home page. So we need to pick on this icon to set some image from the gallery app. I will tap on the last one. So right now I will show you how to choose one of the color of the selected photo and make it the monochrome for to use as the background for the story later. So right now we have the needful photo, and we need to pick on the drawing mode, which is the fourth one on the top bar. We can also choose one of the default colors here on the spectrum on the menu, but you can also tap on the selector mode, which is the first on the list, and pick this selector on the needful shade, and as an example this one. So when we had chosen the needful color, the needful shade, and when we had used this selector mode, we just need to tap on the free space and hold it on 1 second. As you can see right now, we have the monochrome color, which we can use as background for the new Instagram story. In the same way, as I said, I can use some of the default colors. As an example, I will choose this one, and I just need to tap on the free space and wait a minute. And the green one. Perfect! Later, let's tap on the done, and you can create your Instagram story using this color as the background successfully. So I can add some text as an example to add a new sticker, effects, etc. Later, let's tap on the send to feature to add this story to your close friends or to your profile page. I will choose this one, the second option, and tap on the share button, and done. Wait a minute please, and after that you will have your newly created story with the needful background color. So guys, if this video was useful and interesting, don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and bye bye!